AI tracker, start. Ah, finally it's working. Hello. Can't you see my face? Why is it shaking? Do you have seizures? At least 1 to 4 or almost 5 feet apart. Hey. Follow me, baby. Follow me. Now follow me, follow me, follow me. Follow me. All right. And now stop. Sounds right. Awesome. Dami ang grrr. Ang grrr. And grrr, 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 grrr. Is it going? Is it going? The portrait mode. Can you go like this? Not yet. Ah! Hello, hello, hello. I got the iSteady V3 AI smartphone tracking gimbal. I cut it all in one sentence. So this has the magnetic AI tracking, 3 types of field lights, stability, blah, 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 detachable remote control, built-in selfie stick and tripod, foldable and portable, and all that good stuff. Now, the link will be attached so that you guys will go read up on it by yourselves. I just want to open stuff. Let's open it. How much was this? I don't remember. I think they sell it for like, if you catch them on sale in TikTok, it's like I don't remember. I'll go back. It's like $90 something, right? 103, something like that, $100 and something, $103 or whatever. But the real price on Amazon is $229, so about $130. I will attach the whole thing so you see for yourself. Carrying pouch. Okay. This can be taken off. So that's the light, AI tracker light. So you know, I had to get. You can get the ones without all this. It's cheaper, less than $100. So I prefer this one. This is the longer version of the video, so we're going to take our time and figure this out. Type-C charger, of course, and all that. We did all that part already. You can use it as a selfie stick like that. And turn it under. Read full specification on their website. And over here, we already did this part. We detached and attached. Off and on is there. I'm guessing turn it off and on over there. It's not really charged or connected now. Off and on is there. All those hand gestures to start, to stop. You want it turned to landscape or portrait mode, you do those hand gestures. And then shutter control, customize scope position, you know, all that good stuff. And for this part, on and off, you tap 1 time for landscape mode, 2 times for okay, so 3 times to turn portrait, and that is this part. 1 time, 2 times. Okay, normally I'll do it and then I'll show you, but in case I don't remember everything, sorry about the long video. Anybody's paying $100 and something who really want a detailed video or detailed review. So 2 times, 3 times for 180, 5 times for whatever. So all those, all that. Connected, clearing, not connected if it's not showing that light. The POV, PTV, I used to know what that is, but I don't know anymore. Their battery status and that. And I guess this is where you scan to download the app. We're gonna do all of that. So long video alert. Okay, subscribe if you haven't, and let's continue. That makes sense. I've been making a fool out of myself. All I have to do is turn it on. I'm gonna go ahead and download the app so I can stop making a fool out of myself. So you can have the unboxing, feel light, the tutorials are all here. I'm trying to turn it around. It's not turning. It's not turning towards the camera so you guys can see. It's just, see, it refused to turn. Look. It refused to turn. Okay, so, oh, the AI tracker is on. That's why. That is where you turn it off and on. Turn it on and put it on a flat surface. Oh, no, I don't want it to. Okay. How about to turn it off again? So it needs to face me. I wish you guys could see like me, myself. And then, oh, how about I flip this around? I don't know what to do. So I just turn it on. It needs to face me. It captured you. Make sure you stand at a distance. Okay, are you home? So let's turn on the Bluetooth. And we're looking for V3. So SV3. We have to select SV3. And then pair. Connected. The blue. And here it's showing connected. In order to turn on the fill light, as soon as you turn it on over here, you long press this one, comes on. Then you can scroll up and down to check how bright you want your light. Look at that. And then I can reduce it all the way. You can also use this is the remote part we're using instead of this part, regardless. So this part is not on. That's that part. I'm gonna press and hold, see if it's gonna turn up. Yeah, it went off. I'm gonna go ahead and download the app, the Hohem Joy app. It's Hohem H-O-H. I don't know why the light is too bright. That's the Joy app, the one with the orange color. Okay, so agree. Welcome to Joy app. Activities, Hohem, so tutorial, editor, all those templates if you want to shoot in those templates. And then me, which in this case you have to sign up. It's funny how they ask those hobby because I mean I used to run. Maybe riding, which I've never done, or camping, live streaming, definitely. Surfing, vlogging, definitely. Parent, child, you know, cycling, fishing, skating, cars, dancing. So you kind of choose whatever you want to be done and all that stuff. Then just go to next. And I have my username, I guess. I'm a female, my birthday. Should I type my own username? Something like that. So unboxing AI tracker. So mostly tutorial here and then all the extra stuff. Let's get down to business, please. Start using it already. Let's start this for real again. Turn it on. Turns out by itself after a few minutes. Am I not far enough? 1 feet, to 4 feet away. AI tracker, start. Finally it's working. Hello. Can't you see my face? Why is it shaking? Do you have seizures? Come on, baby. Okay, so that. Let's go. Why are you not following me back? So I think it's blurry from there because the light is behind me, so it can't see my face. It's me. Am I too close? How about we go here? I was too close, guys. So you see. My phone is having seizures. It's me. So I don't think it's clear enough. This video is already too long. Okay, let's do this. At least 1 to 4 or almost 5 feet apart. Hey. Let's turn the lights because I can't see myself. Okay. Let's try this one more time. Just the basic stuff. My phone is having a seizure. Come on, baby. All right, let's go. Follow me, baby. Follow me. Now follow me. Follow me. All right, and now stop. Sounds right. Awesome. Let's turn on the lights. You can also turn it up there, but I'm not about to waste more time with this. So I want to. Okay, so let's go. Oh, so it tilts up and down, the pan tilt, and then down, and it can go from side to side. And of course, it's still having a seizure because I'm still learning. Currently using power bank to charge a gimbal. Make sure you always charge your stuff up before you start. So I'm gonna turn it on again. Then it's green. Is it going? Can you turn 360? Let's see. Can you turn 360? No? Okay. Now it lost me. So let's continue. Okay, now we'll see what it can do. And power on the remote because it's off. The battery is low. It's off, but the regular camera shut off. And the rest, learn it. Now stop. See? It's not gonna follow me. So the mode. No, actually start. And then the portrait mode. Can you go like this? Not yet. It worked. I'm gonna have a microphone. I'll be laughing so loud. Now start again. Do you mind go like this? Good. Awesome. I'm gonna learn more, but you guys get the idea. Sorry about the long video. I will see you later. Bye-bye.